Empower yourself against judgment. If someone tries to bring you down by comparing your life to others, like saying people your age are buying houses or accomplishing this and that, remind them that there are also people your age who are making a lot of bad decisions and struggling with serious issues like addictions. Just because they're doing that, doesn't mean you also should. There is a big difference between someone who compares to motivate you and someone who does it to make you feel less. Watch out for people who use comparisons to distract you. These people are often insecure and may try to make you feel terrible for not meeting certain expectations. Friend, nobody has completely figured their lives out. So don't let anyone make you feel like they're entitled to judge your journey or dictate your timeline. Everyone is on their own path, and it is okay to take your time. People will always have opinions about your choices, but don't let that pressure or misguide you. Do what feels right for you. Focus on your own life. Everything will eventually fall into place.